It's a speechless live. Welcome in, welcome in. It's just raining. Look at the sky. It's just raining, raining, raining. It's country. Hey Shauna, morning. It's raining in country. Rain, 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 rain. Rain, rain, rain. Rain, rain. A good thing I did my road trip yesterday. Now it's raining. Oh, raining. Yeah. So it's raining all over. All over. The breadfruit tree there. I don't know if I'm breadfruit up there. I'm gonna have to check. Nation, share the live. For some reason I can't share the live this morning. I don't know how, why. Copy link. And share. But anyways, they will watch it later. It's raining, 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 raining. Good morning, Nation. What for dinner? What for breakfast? I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. You can see way over yonder. Way, way over. All the beautiful trees, banana tree, what that, breadfruit tree, what's that, soursop tree right there, what else, other trees, but I'm not seeing, I don't know them. Just a quick live. It was heavier this morning. Yeah, ackee tree, yeah. There's an ackee tree right there. Yes. It's a rainy Sunday morning. Rainy, rainy Sunday morning in country. Rainy Sunday morning in country. Oh, is it raining in St. Anne? Nation? Is it raining in St. Anne? No rain. Oh, you just sleep late. Okay. Okay, okay. So this rain is good for the parish. Well, here, because we have water issue. So we get to catch up some water, them old time way there. You know, them old time catching up water. Yeah. Just a short video. Yes, it is amazing. Yeah. God always provide for his people. Yeah. So there's no water and there's rain, and you can catch rainwater. You can do a lot of things with it. You can flush your bathroom. Yeah. Even bathe with it, wash with it. What's for dinner? I not even have breakfast yet, Nation. I'm stuck. I'm in country. I not even have breakfast yet. I don't know what for dinner. If go ask my cousin what for dinner. Not cooking though. Hoping to get breakfast soon and dinner later. Some amazing dinner later. Still in country, still on vacation. Well, I'm on vacation from the other day, so yes, I'm touring. I was in Portland yesterday, and now today I'm back in St. Thomas today. Yeah, Portland is amazing, guys. You should go there and check it out. Portland is so amazing. I went to Winifred's Beach. I went to Frenchman Cove too, but I didn't go in. I just went there, and the rate is like 1,800 per person. I think they have better group rates. I've been there before in groups, so since I've been there before, I didn't bother to go in as single. Yes, fun. So then I went to Boston Jerk Center. I had the real Boston pork with some roast bread and some crushed plantain. That was amazing. And then we went to Winifred Beach, and there we have a little swim time. Yeah, it's amazing. It's beautiful. There's so much to see in Portland. So much places to go. You have Sansan, you have Boston Beach, you have Blue Lagoon. There you have Reach Falls. Next time I must go to Reach Falls. There's so many places in Portland. I didn't know Portland was so endowed with attractions. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful parish. Beautiful, beautiful and amazing, amazing. The roads are coming on over there. Some places have beautiful roads. Only some places still being worked on, just like St. Thomas. And guys, remember the highway is going. The highway is going to be from Harborview into St. Thomas onto Port Antonio. So yes. Beautiful parish, beautiful, yeah. Yes, Portland is amazing. So true. I enjoyed my trip there. River might come down now, there's a river around the back, guys. Jesus. Can't show no cars. There's a little water down there, so I can't show no cars. Rain a fall. Yeah. And country life is amazing. I wouldn't have done this in Kingston. And see it, I can bring it to you in country, because there's beautiful greenery, trees, the this, the that, you can see. But this morning it was crazy, crazier. It was a lot of thunder, a lot of lightning. Yeah. And they say over here was dry all along, and it just started falling. All along it was dry. So I'm just gonna give you 10 minutes of this video, and then I'm gonna rush out to have some, see if I can get some breakfast. Yeah. Nation, as always, thank you for coming into my life, and thank you as always. I know it's Sunday and I know it's church time, so I know a lot of people may be in bed or at church, so just a pop-up video, because a long time I don't come on. Nation, say a long, that's why she not see me, because I'm having fun, yeah. So yeah. So thank you, Nation, for coming on, and the others who are going to be viewing this video, thank you for watching, thank you for sharing, thank you for liking this video, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Place hot, man. Country was crazy hot, really crazy hot. So the rain is good, and I'm hearing that Mobay is getting, I think Portland is getting, yeah, crazy hot. So we are grateful for this rain. Very grateful. Yeah, at least we can get some little coolness in the nights to sleep peacefully. So nothing is better than the natural weather. Yeah. Thank you, Nation. And I will see you on my next live. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Alright? Thank you so much. Have a blessed and peaceful Sunday. Bye.